What is support vector regression? In simple linear regression, we used ordinary least squares method to find the best fitting line that will minimize the error between actual values and our prediction. In support vector regression, we have a decision boundary in the middle that separates the data. Data points falling on either side of the bound can be attributed to different classes. And we have a tube that is established by using hyperplane. Upper boundary is called positive hyperplane, and lower boundary is called negative hyperplane. Hyperplanes are at epsilon distance in both direction from decision boundary. Epsilon is a user-defined parameter in support vector regression that represents a margin of tolerance. It defines a region around the predicted values within which errors are ignored or considered acceptable. It is important to note that it is measured vertically and not perpendicular to the decision boundary. The SVR algorithm aims to find the hyperplane that passes through as many data points as possible within a certain distance, and this is called the margin. This approach helps to reduce the prediction error, and this creates what is known as epsilon-insensitive tube. Why is it called support vector? Support vectors are data points that are closer to the hyperplane and influence the position and orientation of the hyperplane. These support vectors essentially support the regression model, as they play a significant role in determining the position and orientation of the regression line or hyperplane. The term vector comes from the fact that each data point can be represented as a vector, and these vectors are used to define the boundary or regression function. Take our AI in a Weekend course now if you want to learn more. Click on the link in bio.